Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye! Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today we will be looking on the baby cockatiels eating in their new home. Guys, please recall that the cockatiel diet consists of vegetable, fruits and grains. Guys, today we will only be feeding them grains. Guys, to get a clear video, we place the phone inside the cage. Hence the reason why the baby cockatiels didn't want to come down for meal time.
Guys, after a while, the birds started to ignore the phone
And came down to enjoy their food. As you can see, they're coming one by one. So guys, as you can see, the bird heads are moving extremely fast. That's because we had to speed up the video, because if we didn't speed up the video would in terms be long and we didn't want to bore you guys. Guys, so a little backstory. Every morning the bird's water pan are changed and they are given fresh and clean water. Guys, in the pen there are two Latino, two pearls, one white face and two cinnamons. Guys, the white face and one of the cinnamons are the mature ones. Guys, the white face and the mature cinnamon, guys, we have to move them out of their original pen because we put some new birds in their pen as well, and the new birds and the white face and cinnamon were fighting over the box, so we had to move out the white face and the cinnamon. So guys, the two cockatiels on the stick, they are the mature one. Guys, when you don't see them on the stick, they are looking inside the box because there's a box attached to the pen they are in. Guys, so when you don't see them on the stick, that's where they are. So guys, as you can see, the white face is on the cage going to look inside the box, because the cinnamon just not too long went and look in the box, and right now the white face has returned back to the stick and came off and went over to drink some water. And now the cinnamon is back on the stick along with the white face. So guys, you can only see the white face because the cinnamon is down there eating. Guys, it's only the babies eating, so we are going to allow you guys to enjoy the calmness of the background. Well, bye guys.
Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Goodbye.